Amazing pictures from space. Elon Musk pulls off an engineering feat.
SpaceX launched the world's most powerful rocket.
Elon Musk. The name itself brings images of innovation, from electric cars to Mars missions. We all know he's a visionary. But did you know about the jaw-droppingly expensive stuff he owns? We'll dive into his lavish toys and also talk about his big dreams that keep him going. Let's skip the small talk and jump straight into exploring the extravagant side of Elon Musk. Number 1. The Air Jordan. Let's start with something Elon Musk might want to forget: his special Air Jordan Teslas. These shoes were made with unusual materials, like pony hair and python leather, which is illegal in California. They definitely got people's attention, but not in a good way. While $500 isn't too much for a rare pair of sneakers, the risk of getting in trouble with the law over animal protection isn't really worth it. Number 2. A neighborhood just for him. Elon wanted more room, so he didn't just buy one house, he bought a whole neighborhood in Bel Air. This private area has multiple mansions, and one looks a lot like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. Number 3. A Tesla in space. Elon Musk did something amazing and sent his Tesla car into space. In 2018, he used a big SpaceX rocket to launch his car around the solar system. It was a bit of a showy move, but it also showed how bold Elon is. There's a pretend person in a spacesuit sitting in the driver's seat, and the car has been traveling around the sun ever since. No one knows exactly how much this space journey cost, but it was definitely expensive.
Amazing pictures from space. He sent his own kind of rocket man on board a Tesla Roadster into orbit.
Let's start with the science. This afternoon, SpaceX launched the world's most powerful rocket. Driver is a mannequin he's calling Starman. But CBS reporter Manuel Boroquez shows us.
And the SpaceX crew into applause.
Well, if you could hear all that cheering.
It's a very big step forward. We hadn't seen a rocket this powerful since the space shuttle retired back in 2011.
The payload on this test launch is Musk's Midnight Cherry Tesla Roadster with a dummy named Starman.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition.
An incredible job of creating really the most advanced rocket in the world and biggest rocket in the world, and like the Tesla logo landing somewhere with a thud.
Number 4. Elon's car collection. Elon Musk loves different types of cars, not just one brand. His collection includes a mix of old and new cars, from simple to very fancy. He owns a 1920s Ford Model T, which shows how much cars have changed over the years. He also has a Jaguar E-Type, a car he fell in love with as a teenager and finally bought for a lot of money. But the most eye-catching is his $1 million McLaren F1, which shows his love for fast and luxurious cars. This collection doesn't just show he is rich, but also his varied tastes and a bit of his emotional side. Number 5. Elon's expensive parenting. Elon Musk doesn't hold back on spending for his children. Unlike most parents who might spend a few $100,000 on raising a child, Elon reportedly spends millions on each of his 9 kids. This spending includes private schooling, fancy vacations with private jets, and pretty much whatever else they might want. His children definitely live a privileged life, but whether this leads to happiness or teaches them important life lessons is still uncertain.
My first guess is the man who made electric cars a thing. He's going to work on that tunnel thing on traffic. He also tweets a lot. Elon Musk, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Do you do all these things every day? Do you work on all of them in a single day?
No.
No.
But I do have...
I'm so thrilled you're here because, you know, we do a show where we talk about what changes happen in the world, but we just talk. Well, you're a likable guy.
Thanks.
They attack you a lot.
They do.
Yeah, I love it that you have a sense of humor. You have a sense of humor.
Yeah.
You really do.
I
you
aspire
like,
to.
Yeah, you like laughing. You like to be funny.
I kill me.
Right. I think a lot of people thought when you bought Twitter that this is kind of an outlier. Like, what doesn't fit? And if we don't deal with this, nothing else can get done. Tell me why you think that.
Anything that is anti-meritocratic and anything that is that results in the suppression of free speech.
Number 6. Elon's luxury jets. Elon is a super rich guy who wants to go to Mars but doesn't travel on normal planes. He has a bunch of private jets, way more than most rich people would ever need. He started with a fairly normal jet, but as he got richer, he wanted fancier ones. So he bought a Gulfstream G550, which is a popular choice for billionaires, and then he bought 2 more just for fun. Then he got a G6i50, which has 1 more seat than the G5i50. Big deal, right? And to keep up with other rich people, he recently bought the newest Gulfstream, the G700, for a whopping $75 million. Regular people might not notice the difference between these jets, but for Elon, bigger seems to be always better. After all, when you're extremely wealthy, a few $100 million for a slightly bigger jet is like spare change, right? Number 7. Twitter takeover. In a move that left many scratching their heads, Elon Musk set his sights on social media giant Twitter. Despite the platform's well-documented financial struggles, Elon decided to throw a whopping $44 billion at it in 2022. This astronomical price tag raised eyebrows not just for its sheer size, but also because it significantly exceeded Twitter's market value. Elon's stated goal: to transform Twitter into a super app similar to China's WeChat, offering a vast array of services beyond social media. Whether this vision comes to fruition and justifies the eye-watering price tag remains to be seen. One thing's for sure: Elon Musk's takeover of Twitter is yet another example of his willingness to spend big on ventures that capture his interest, regardless of the immediate financial gain. Number 8. $1 million diamond ring. Musk's relationship with his second wife, Tallulah Riley, may not have lasted, but during their marriage, his displays of affection were nothing short of breathtaking. From a stunning $140,000 engagement ring to a custom-designed dream ring adorned with a massive central diamond and 10 sapphires, valued at an astonishing $1.5 million. Each piece reflected his deep affection. This wasn't just any ring. It was a symbol of his willingness to shower his loved ones with extravagant tokens of affection. Number 9. Timepieces for space travelers. For those special occasions that might involve a trip to space, Elon has a limited edition Tag Heuer watch designed for space travel. This timepiece comes with a hefty price tag of $10,000. Elon Musk's life is a constant push towards extremes. His audacious ideas and ambition translate not just into groundbreaking companies, but also into a passion for extremely expensive possessions. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the crazy, expensive world of Elon Musk. From cars to private jets, Elon definitely knows how to live life on the edge, and with a whole lot of money. Whether you admire him or find his spending habits a bit much, there's no denying that Elon Musk is one interesting guy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss our video.